the Southeast Asia hub is the newest of Wyss Academy's 4 regional hubs. And we are very, very excited to start working in a very dynamic region that has a lot of challenges in terms of land use sustainability, but also livelihood security. So we now have a core team of 3 people, including the hub director, the program manager, and the administrative officer. And we'll be growing even further in 2024 so that we can expand our capacity in terms of knowledge management and monitoring and evaluation. I'd say the most powerful aspect is the importance of partnerships within Wyss Academy's operations, both in general and also at our own hub. Here in Southeast Asia, we're hosted by RECOFT, which is the Center for People and Forests, and we're located on the campus of Kasetsat University, which is a leading Thai university in agriculture and forestry. And these institutions are both centers of excellence for community forestry, sustainable forest management, as well as sustainable agricultural development. And these all overlap with thematic areas that we work with. So at our hub, we've started our work in 2 areas, in northern Thailand and northern Laos. And in both of these regions, we're working on the theme of forest landscape restoration. And the approach that we're taking is we're trying out new ways, new mechanisms to forest restoration that also provide benefits for local communities. To do this, we're working with a range of local partners in each region to understand what the main challenges are for local communities and to co-design and test approaches such as new finance mechanisms, and also different agriculture and conservation practices. At the hub, we also are key in convening partners. We work with a whole range of stakeholders from community level, local level, national level, regional level, from all different sectors, so government, private sector, civil society, local communities. And we try to bring everyone together to share and discuss their visions for a sustainable future, while also being really mindful of unequal power dynamics that can happen in these situations. So we try to bring out marginalized voices and make sure that they are accounted for in this common shared vision and decision making. As a regional hub, we are a key link between the scientific research that Wyss Academy and other institutions produce and real action on the ground. So here at the hub, we're trying out these new approaches that are inspired by scientific research. And on the ground, we are implementing them and also evaluating whether they can truly provide co-benefits for both environmental sustainability and for local livelihoods. So in a way, we're also producing new scientific knowledge that can contribute to an understanding of how we can produce effective interventions in the field of nature conservation and sustainability.